So that's gonna be an epic prank. You mad or not? She mad, y'all. She got a whole attitude. Well, like and subscribe and comment down below. And yeah, did you like that prank? Y'all, she about to get pranked so bad that like you feel me? Shut up, don't know me, y'all see that? But y'all, we about to
Well, I'm about to go back to my nap.
out. She about to get this one nap, whatever. Well, I might take a nap too. So
Yo, is there what is this? This might be
That
her mouth next.
so this is yo, we out.